And if this is death, who pinned my arms to the floor? My feet ain't working no more. And death is not kind, and I don't belong here. And who turned the lights out? Why has my voice become faint? I've no one to talk to in a way. And death is not kind, and I don't belong here, no. Forgive me, and who will take care of my girl? Now I'm not part of her world. Oh, death is not kind, and I don't belong here. No, what happened to singing them songs with your friends? I can no longer pretend I'm not a hoe, and I want to go home. What I would give for one chance to tell you goodbye.